Hi, my name is Dicky. Today we have created a special healthy recipe, Basil pepper fish and rice with vegetable relish, including the list of ingredients and step-by-step cooking instructions and easily to follow and visually appealing, explaining the nutrition value of each ingredient and explain how the flavor complement each other, including high-quality image or video to demonstrate each cooking step and final presentation. This is for the group of people. Our presentation will help market food store or restaurant to build their own customer database using the professional landing page or website. And let Linda do the presentation. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.
My name is Linda. Welcome to our kitchen today. We are excited to share with you a dish that's not only delicious, but packed with nutrients to help you feel your best. Our basil pepper fish, rice, and vegetable dressing is the perfect meal for those who prioritize flavor without sacrificing it. Let's get started. Here is the ingredients list for fillets of white fish such as tilapia cod 1. Cherry tomatoes, have 1 yellow bell pepper, dice 1 orange bell pepper, dice 1 red onion. Finely chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 cup fresh basil leaves, 12 teaspoon black pepper, 1-2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup oil, 2 cups cooked rice. Next is the cooking step by step. Let's get started. Basil pepper fish, rice, and vegetable relish. Prepare cherry tomatoes, cucumber. Prepare red onion, place it on a pan. Place it on the pan and preheat. Cutting into small pieces, place in a bowl. Add lemon vinaigrette, stir and mix. Now prepare the fish, add kosher salt, black pepper. Now prepare the fish, bake the fish in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Add brown rice in a bowl, cannellini beans, minced garlic, diced tomatoes, lemon vinaigrette, chopped basil. Now ready to serve, light easy. When we design a visually appealing and user-friendly landing page for your online business that features a step-by-step recipe for basil pepper fish, rice, and vegetable relish, include high-quality images of the ingredients and cooking process, as well as a well-organized list of ingredients and detailed instructions. Utilize engaging and easy-to-follow language that will entice visitors to subscribe to your customer list. Ensure that the design of the landing page is cohesive with the overall branding of your online business and encourages user interaction. Additionally, integrate call-to-action prompts throughout the post to encourage readers to subscribe to your online business's customer list for more recipes and updates. Even for any online business, ensure the content is SEO-friendly and optimized for conversion on both your landing page and website. Everyone can design a visually appealing and user-friendly landing page for your online business that features a step-by-step recipe for basil pepper fish, rice, and vegetable relish. Ensure that the design of the landing page is cohesive with the overall branding of your online business and encourages user interaction. Integrate call-to-action prompts throughout the post to encourage readers to subscribe to your online business's customer list for more recipes and updates. Happy learning and cooking for yourself. My mentor Dicky will teach how you can create detailed and appetizing recipes for your loved ones. And do it at home, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your expertise in your home for an online business. For more information, contact Dicky at dickylim@gmail.com. Website, https://plrsalesfunnel.com.